Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from videos using Capcut. So if you are annoyed with watermark on certain videos that maybe you got from other sources such as the internet, you can just remove the watermarks in CapCut videos without paying. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove it easily. So first, you just need to open the CapCut applications on your phone and then just tap on your projects and choose the videos that you want to edit. So for example, this videos right here has a watermark attached on it. You can just tap on add and click on the video here, and you can copy or duplicate the video. So there are two videos, and make one of the video as overlay. Okay, so the video will look like this. Now you can just find CapCut effects, so click on effects, video effects, and here find the lens category. Scroll down until you find the blur effect, so click on the blur, adjust the intensity. I'm usually use around 70 to 80. Click on a check icon and make sure that the effects apply to all of the clips, so just drag it like this. And now go back, click on the overlay one, swipe until you find mask. So click on the mask and now choose the rectangle options, and in here you can see this is the masking. You can just drag it to where the watermark is like this and adjust the size of the masking to fit into the watermark. Now what you need to do is click on invert so that the effects only apply to the watermark. You can click on a check icon, and if you want to make it smoother, you can always adjust the masking again. You can click on adjust. I'm going to add some feather to make it looks more natural. You can click on the check icon, and this is the final result. So that's how you can remove watermark on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.